was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark. Then something came creeping, it told
ruang bihun tiba dua sampurasun.
Yang naon Facebookan hari mode gratisan ngaku nama baturan hari ngaran aya emotan.
Tulus melangkah melupakanmu, lelah hati perhatikan sikapmu. Jalan pikiranmu buatku ragu, tak mungkin ini tetap bertahan. Perlahan mimpi terasa mengganggu, ku coba untuk terus menjauh. Perlahan hatiku terbelenggu, ku coba untuk lanjutkan hidup. Engkau bukanlah segalaku, bukan tempatku, hentikan langkahku. Saya sudah semua berlalu, biar hujan menghapus jejakmu. Terus melangkah melupakan.
Idul Fitri jeung Lebaran demi Bu Fitri kajian hujanan.
Wah, cewek itu salawe dibagi dua, share channel tengah poe. Awewe zaman ayeuna leutik keneh sabaraha channel.
Ngalibaki 25 dipake wadah jaat, salaki zaman ayeuna kabeh boya darat.
Hujanan
Mun abi hujanan. Hujan midipis awi bola mangin nu geulis alhamdulillah.
Amin ya Allah, cingkeng yang nu geulisnya.
Amin apa.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb. Young, young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb, young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb, young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. We have so much in common. We argue all the time. You always say I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure I'm right. What's fun about commitment?
migas soto babat gede huluna nya ge capek loba tugas salat mah kudu ti dituna.
Nyokot meri dina rakit ditincak ngejebur ate nyeri lain penyakit kabogo direbut batur
Aci benar meuli japuh awak riet hayang puyuh lain doa nu teu tapi beungeut anu ripuh
Rekala saga di sisi huma jalana ketunggilis di seraga ti sukma lantaran jadi kanu gelis.
Kajan cincin asal ali dua tangan emas perak. Kajan rudin asal ahi bahagia dunia akhirat.
Matamu melemahkanku saat pertama kali kulihatmu.
Kacihawar, kacimahi, meliput, palalawar, kayak bisul dina pucuk.
Mereka cikau malah umut, gara-gara dina tanjakan. Kata sang menimut ate kuring kok tanjakan.
Hayang teuing kulu balu di suraungan. Hayang teuing gerawau geus wau di tepungan.
Amun kaciceri. Atas lawan di Petri.
Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid. All alone.
Kulit kacimahi, kulit meser bumbu kacimahi.
Rekala. Nomor depan.
Rekala saga di sisi huma jalana ketunggilis di seraga ti sukma lantaran jadi kanu gelis.
awe dibagi dua tengah poe betese naon awewe zaman ayeuna leuwih kerek sarakena.
Just let me in. And she ran faster and started screaming. Is there something out there? Please help me. Come get me behind her. She can hear it say, hello everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains of Valley low. Give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let